बच्चे में अगर ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं कि वो एक अच्छा मिलिट्री ऑफिसर बन सकता है, तो व्हाट वुड दोस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बी?
देखें जी, मैं तो ये समझता हूँ, and I'm convinced on this, कि as a nation, any nation for that matter, people should be disciplined.
ठीक है.
और डिसिप्लिन जो है वो नज़र आ जाता है सड़क पे आप जब जा रहे हो. You can see how people behave on the road. So discipline is the most essential thing for any country. जिसने भी आगे प्रोग्रेस करना है, unless the population, be the people, they know their limits, they know they have to follow law, they have to, accommodate other people, they have to show tolerance, they have to, struggle to move and not get things in their lap as goodies, so that is easy way. ये सब चीज़ें जो है ना, ये बड़ी ज़रूरी हैं. और मेरा ख्याल है ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आपको अपने एनवायरनमेंट से भी पता लग जाती हैं. जिस स्कूल में आप पढ़े या जिस कॉलेज में थे, आपके दोस्त कैसे थे, आपके पेरेंट्स ने कैसे आपकी चीज़ें सिखाई. So all those things actually have an impact. So those things are very important.
The discipline is the most important.
In my view, for a nation, for military, it is of vital importance.
ठीक है. So when you became a senior, और बेचारे नए नए बच्चे इसी तरह कैडेट्स बन के आए, अभी आपको कुछ याद आता है कि आपने कोई ऐसी ज्यादती की होगी जिसकी वजह से you probably feel a bit sorry?
नहीं, उसकी वजह ये है कि this is all done in good faith.
ठीक है. So it's part of
it is part of training.
नहीं, अभी याद आता है जैसे उसके साथ मैंने ये किया वो
नहीं.
ठीक है.
क्योंकि ये भी एक ट्रेनिंग का हिस्सा है कि आपने किसी के साथ ज्यादती नहीं करनी.
सही.
और ये जो है ना, दिस इज एन ऑल इनकम्पसिंग ट्रेनिंग इन द एकेडमी. इट इज नॉट यूनिफोकस्ड. सो ज्यादती मतलब एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग इंसान कर भी लेता है.
सही.
लेकिन टू डू इट इंटेंशनली इज अगेन समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट राइट.
वी
हैव अ ऑनर सोसाइटी इन द नेवल एकेडमी फॉर इंस्टेंस, जिसमें मोरालिटी के ऊपर और इस किस्म के, अगर आपसे कोई गलती हो गई फॉर इंस्टेंस, you should be able to stand up and say, yes sir, I have done this thing. So you should own it up rather than to find excuses. And so that is a part of training. If you make a mistake, you should have the courage to stand up and acknowledge and not to tell lies, not to. फिर ये भी अगर आपसे गलती जान के आपने नहीं की, so you need not be sorry about it. For instance, you should say, I've done this mistake and I'll take the punishment that this mistake will bring for me, but I have not done it intentionally, because if you make an intentional mistake, then that is not acceptable. So there's focus on all these things, and morality is one thing. Honor is very important for a military officer, and unless a person has that in him, he cannot stand up in any difficult situation like war. And you've seen in Pakistan, I think we've had some very fine officers in all the three services.
Indeed, no doubt
about it. Because they had that, honor in them to live up to the expectations of the country.
So you had a chance of studying at the National Defence University here, और उसके बाद you also went abroad to UK in order to study further defence. How would you compare both?
देखिए जी, मैं तो समझता हूँ कि दोनों ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. We must study our own environment. We must be aware as to what are the compulsions we are faced with. What is the situation, what is the ground reality that we have in this country. And this can only, you can only learn this if you are exposed to your own environment. जो कि आपके educational institution like National Defence University. It is, we talk about what we have and from what to do. So that is the first thing, to know the ground reality, to know your own environment. And the second thing is then to know what the rest of the world is up to, what they are doing. So going abroad and doing this RCDS for me was very important, because then I had exposure, knowing my own ground reality in Pakistan, and then to compare this with what the rest of the world is doing. So I think that was very useful training for me.
ठीक है.